Choosing between Fidelity and Vanguard? Both are giants for low-cost investing, but their fee structures have subtle differences that matter. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. For fund expenses, both offer near-identical ultra-low-cost index funds and ETFs. Fidelity has its zero-fee funds, Vanguard has the classic, slightly higher-fee Vanguard funds but with a longer track record. For account fees, both have eliminated most trading commissions and minimums. The difference can be in specific services. Vanguard's advisory service might have a slightly lower account minimum, while Fidelity's cash management features are more robust. My crucial pro tip? Look beyond the headlines. Compare the actual expense ratio of the specific fund you want, e.g., Fidelity's FXAX versus Vanguard's VFIAX, both S&P 500 funds. The difference is often a razor-thin 0.01% or 0.02%, which is negligible for most investors. Your choice should come down to which platform's website, tools, and customer service you prefer. Which platform's interface do you find more user-friendly? For more clear-cut financial comparisons, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.